Alright, so I downloaded the well-known Bitcoin Beach app, about this app it was claimed that it is being used in El Salvador in regards to Bitcoin, and I installed it and I tested it out a little bit, and I earned my 237 satoshis by doing these questionnaires there, and now we can quickly test it here. And as you can see, if we go to map and look at the businesses, we've got here some businesses there. And whenever you try to pay a business, so for example that one here, so if we click on pay this business, and if we would for example send 10 satoshis to this business here, and click on send, so it's basically, so you can see fee 0 satoshis, and click on send, we can see how is this payment being processed or done. So it will work, it will do that stuff here, done. But now there's the interesting part, because as we know, so we can see here whatever. So wait a sec, should be in transactions any second now. At least I hope so. Because how is this payment processed in this case? So we'll refresh now. Loading. Right, so I've sent 10 here, but the thing is here, it's not a Bitcoin transaction, so basically it was a IOU transfer. So that's the only thing that happened right now. So quite interesting though. So if I would try to send now Bitcoin to one of the wallets here, for example. So I'm still at the Bitcoin Beach wallet, so as we can see here, so if you want to send Bitcoin, you've got your contacts here, and it's basically an IOU transfer. So if I would send it to another user, that's an IOU transfer, not Bitcoin and also not the Lightning Network. But let's go on. So we'll copy now the Bitcoin address. Right, I will paste it here. So let's see if that works. I will send 1 Satoshi. Okay, right. Okay. Right, so now it's recommending me to use the Lightning Network for everything below 5,000 Satoshis. Okay. Right, so let's see what happens then. Well, it will probably not work because I'm having problems anyway here. Cool, so the bandwidth is exhausted again. That's awesome, but I will try to do it with the Moon Wallet then. I'll go to Lightning, request, we'll request, copy the address here. Okay, go to Bitcoin Beach Wallet here. Copy and paste this now. So now it's saying 33 satoshis using the Lightning Network, and it probably can find the route, can it? Yep, it can find the route, so we'll try to send it now. So the moon wall should be like, I don't know, the moon wall should be like, yeah, right, okay, it doesn't work. Cool. And right, so I'm still trying to figure out how all of it works basically, because like probably Bitcoin Beach, Lightning Network, so this is a custodial wallet, we know that. So you don't even own your own keys, quote unquote keys, meaning that if they're using the Lightning Network, they must basically have managed their own channels, but only like one channel, and one channel to the Lightning Network. And so it's basically just probably internally, but that's just right now a guess. So we'll have to look it up. So the Bitcoin Beach app, I will still have to find out where that Lightning node is, or if like that I can find out. Well, that I can find out which node I should use here. So you can see here that Bitcoin Beach is there, and they're claiming they're using the Lightning Network and stuff like that. So you can see here that they're saying they're using the Lightning Network. So for internal transfers and paying businesses, as we could see before, it's not using the Lightning Network. We could also try maybe sending Bitcoin. So let's see if that works, I guess. So for example, we just copy the Bitcoin address here. All right. So, oh, okay, yeah, it's a Lightning payment though. Okay, wait a sec. Oh, yeah, this would be Lightning payment, so we'll have to go back here, because we'll just do a normal Bitcoin payment, because it's not connected in any way here. So does it say Lightning? No, it's still trying to do a Lightning payment. Doesn't I don't want that. Right. So share Bitcoin address. Okay, I think I copied it. So we'll try it one more time. No, not that one. But still, nope. I will have to copy it properly, I guess. Okay, share. Then I will click on. Oh my gosh, I can't even copy that, can I? Save as. What do I have then here? Okay, cool. Ah, awesome. Yay. Okay, cool. So that didn't work, so we'll try it again. Going to the Bitcoin Beach wallet, dismiss, share Bitcoin address, or well, I will say, oh, my bad, I will also set the amount, why not? So we'll set the amount to one Satoshi, okay. Share Bitcoin address. I just want to copy it. Okay, I can save it, nearby share, but I just want to copy it, come on. I, oh, you know what? Okay, you know what? Let's do it. Let's QWF7 VCJ 5J 3TKN 2G4 8QXR 9DKZ 8QKR 74 W5 HTM 7M. Okay, finally. Okay, and I made a mistake. Awesome QWF. I shouldn't have rushed myself too much. 7WCJ 5CJK 3TKN 2 G48 QXR. What else is there? 9DKZ 8. Ah, damn it, it was an 8 here. Okay, great. So I found a mistake. So I will send Satoshis, but well, let's see if we can do it fast. We'll send, well, let's try more. We'll send 3,000 Satoshis. If it's not too expensive. It's probably too expensive, isn't it? Yes, it was probably too expensive. Okay, let's try it one more time. So we'll send 1,000. Click on fast. Next, send. Cool. So I will probably have to send even less. 3,000 Satoshis. Okay, right, so nothing works basically. Cool. I have no idea what's going on and nothing works. Great. Alright, yeah, it works, it's there. So I will give you the next status update when it's over, so you can see here, so I made too many transfers actually. So, will this be a double spend? Probably, I have no idea. So apparently I'm sending way too much Bitcoin here. I hope it's just double, 2 times there, but let's see what's gonna happen. Alright, so, well, we'll see. So some of those won't clear, I guess. Right. Cool. So I will upload this and make a part 3.